If your salad is pricier than your steak, welcome to 2024. Time to get those garden gloves on. With global tensions driving up food prices, there's no better time to grow your own food. First, beans. Quick to sprout and packed with protein. Perfect for staying powered without store trips. Next, lettuce. This leafy green grows fast and keeps your salad bowl full. Don't forget radishes. These spicy little guys add a kick to any dish, and they're ready to harvest in just a month. Tomatoes, the backbone of any garden. They need more love and patience, but they're worth it. From sauces to salads, they've got your back. Lastly, herbs. These aromatic wonders turn any meal from blah to gourmet, and they thrive even on a sunny windowsill. So grab some seeds, and let's start planting. Share your progress, tips, or even your harvest online. Let's build a community of city farmers. It's about taking a step towards self-sufficiency and enjoying the freshest food straight from your soil to your plate.